Hi friends, good evening. I just bought a brand new headphone. The model number is H150 from Logitech. So I bought this at around $22. Not bad, but let's see if it will perform well, considering that the mouthpiece, the microphone piece, this one, I noticed that it is short. It is a little bit far from the mouth, so maybe it will affect the the pickup of the microphone when recording a voice. So anyway, this is manufactured by Logitech, and Logitech is a good brand. So I expect that this headset will perform very well, and I will be using this headset on my old laptop. That's why I purchased this kind of headset, which has this separate jack for the speaker and for the microphone, this one. So I came across a video from YouTube that this kind of headphone, the recording is not that very good. It is low on voice recording output. So let's see if how this headset perform, especially the microphone. I already tested the headset. It's good. It's quite um, the headset's good. It's good for gaming, used for personal when you're hearing music or sounds from laptop. But the only issue of this is I think the microphone recording when you record a voice. Voice recording is only the issue, because maybe it affects really this short. I noticed it's short, this microphone, but still a good microphone at a price of $22. It's cheap. Then it is manufactured by Logitech, which is a good brand for computer accessories. So this is good, and hopefully it will I can use it for long. This headset, it's nice, it's light, and I'm sure this is good for gaming. When you're into gaming, this is good. This one is Logitech. Okay, so I hope that if you purchase a headphone like this and you encounter some problem like the low voice on recording, uh, well, I will put some video on how to correct that problem, to increase the low recording of this microphone. It has a way anyway. At least it will improve the voice recording. So guys, if you like my videos, so hit like and subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss new videos that I will upload 2 or 3 times weekly related to technical stuff, IT, electronics, computers, and so on and so forth. So thanks for watching, guys. God bless and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.